Hi everyone, my name is Pavitra. I'm going to show my cute puppy. Let's see. Meow, meow, meow. Hi everyone, my name is Pushi. I am 2 years old. Do you all guess who I am? Yes, I'm a cute cat. Then I have nose to smell everything, and I also got a mouth to eat and drink my favorite milk. It's so yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes, I like to play ball with my owner. Because I'm so naughty cat. Hmm. Meow, meow, meow. I like my owner so much because she care me a lot. Thank you, my lovely owner Paitra, to make me so beautiful and care me a lot. Meow, meow, meow. Bye bye.